Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove estimated taxes from the Shopify checkout. Let's get started. First go to shopify.com, then click on Login right here. Just enter in your email in this field, or you may also choose to log in using your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google account. This action will lead you to your Shopify dashboard. In your dashboard, click on Settings here at the bottom left corner. And in the settings on the left panel, click on Taxes and Duties. In here, just scroll down to the Global Settings section right here. And then if you want to remove taxes, uncheck all of these boxes. Then click on Save up here. Next, exit from this tab by clicking on this exit icon here on the top right corner, and you will go back to your dashboard. On the left panel, click on Online Store. Click on the three-dot icon next to Customize and select Edit Default Theme Content. In here, click on this icon on the far right to open the search bar. And then type in Tax. In here, you can now edit the text that appears whenever your customer checks out a product. You may choose to type something else, or you may also choose to leave it blank like this for example. And then once you're done, just click on Save up here to save your changes. And that is how you can remove estimated taxes from the Shopify checkout. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.